Hello, children. Shall we start our session with a simple exercise? Sit straight. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good, children. Always do this exercise in the garden or in the balcony where you get fresh air. While doing this, try to identify different smells that are filled in the air, like fragrance of a rose, rich aroma of coffee, pleasant smell of a perfume, citric smell of an orange, and fruity smell of a pineapple. We smell with our nose. We have one nose. We breathe with our nose. Activity time. Parents, you can fill travel spice bottles or small containers with coffee powder, orange peel, garlic, pineapple pieces, etc. and cover it with a layer of cotton. Ask your child to identify the object by smelling the jars and allow them to use their visual sense when they are doing it for the first time. Once they are familiar, try this activity blindfolded so that they use only their sense of smell.
Can you all tell me what letter is this? A. Very good. Did you all sing the chubby cheek rhyme we taught you? Excellent. Now tell me, how do you eat your food when you're hungry? Do you know which part of the body helps you do all this? S. Mouth. We speak with our mouth. We eat and drink through our mouth. We sing through our mouth. We have teeth inside our mouth. Teeth helps us to bite and chew our food. We also have tongue inside our mouth. Tongue helps us to know the taste of the food we eat, whether it is sweet, sour, bitter, salty, or spicy. Dear parents, please make lemon juice with honey and ask the child to identify the taste.
Last week, we enjoyed reciting I Hear Thunder rhyme. Shall we sing that rhyme with the actions now? I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Very good, children. Can you tell me by which part of our body we can hear? Yes, we have two cool parts in our body that help us to hear different sounds. Sounds are everywhere. Ears are in charge of collecting sounds like conversation between two or more people, footsteps, vehicles, and music, etc.
Take 2 bowls and fill it with rice and almonds respectively. You also need 4 small sized containers for this activity. Now, fill one of the containers with 5 to 6 almonds and close it tightly. Take another container and fill rest of the almonds and close it tightly too. Now fill the other 2 containers with 3 to 4 spoons of rice in it and close it tightly. Now, shuffle the containers and let the child not know which container contains rice and which contains almonds. Now, shake the containers vigorously and hear to the sound carefully. Follow the same with the other containers too. Ask the child to sort the containers based on the sound they hear. This activity will help them in their concentration. Thank you.